How can mini apps improve our life, and how can we make them in a couple of minutes with AI? This is what we're going to do today in our activity of a personal ritual app. We're going to go into some of our personal ritual that we want to have or that we're already doing, and we're going to create in a few minutes a mini app with Gemini that is going to be with us in this ritual, make it easier for us, make it more exciting, and do a bunch of amazing things we didn't even think about before. So welcome, goddesses, to this week's activity, Personal Ritual app. So we're going to make some very cool apps, and I hope you share it with us, and maybe you'll even inspire some people to use your app. So that would be really cool. I'm Faye, by the way, if you don't know me. I'm the founder of AI Goddesses, and I'm helping people activate their AI powers. I'm an AI educator. I used to be a software architect. So I take this technical, personal, human bridge, and I love to work with people on AI and see the magical expression when they see how amazing it is and how easy it is to use. So you're going to see this right now with me, how fun and easy it's going to be. So let's get to it and invite a friend to join our community, and let's get more women into AI and getting these amazing new superpowers. To make our app today, we're going to use an amazing tool called Gemini. It's by Google. It's one of my favorite AI tools. If you're not using it yet, I highly recommend. You can sign in here either through the app or the website. They both work great. I'm going to use the app, and as you can do, it can do many stuff, create images and so on. We're gonna go with build an idea. You see it activated this button here for me. If we click it, we can also go here to Canvas. It's the same. This tells Gemini that we want to build something, an app. Now you can see some of Gemini's examples, and we're going to use it to build our app. Okay, so now that we have the canvas on, we're going to start with a prompt. So I've already made a prompt. We want to make some routine. For me, I want to start with a little stretch routine. I want to move my body a little bit in the morning and customize it for me. So you can see I start out with telling it that I want an interactive mobile app. It means that it's for me and I can use it on my phone. And I want like 6 stretches, made it one step at a time. I'm describing how I want it to be done. So I said what I want to create, and then how I want it to be interrupted. Like I want the illustration and an explanation how to do the stretch correctly. And I want to say my goal as well, because it's important. This is a routine for the morning for just 5 minutes, so it knows what's the point, and it helps it design the app for us. And there it created for us. Let's check it out. Okay, cool. Neck and shoulder roll. There's an explanation, and we can start. And you see the timer is moving, and it tells me to gently roll my shoulders and how to do it. And if we go to the next one, we have neck and shoulder. So the next one is overhead tricep stretch. Cool, very interesting. Though it didn't make my visual illustration. But we can fix that. We can go ahead and just continue the conversation. This is part of the amazing tool. So I'm gonna explain myself better. I'm gonna say directly that I wanted to generate an image of the person doing the stretch to help me understand how to make it. Okay, so now it misunderstood me and just made the images. That's okay. We can just tell it to add it to the app. Great, so now we see that it got it and it's put in this in the app. Okay, here we go, we have the app ready for us. So you can basically go on and on with the conversation and change what you like, for example, the theme. And here's another chat that I made, and I've asked it to make some changes and move around some things, and you can get really as specific as you like with your app. So here's this one where I asked it to highlight words for me in the text to make it more readable. I asked it to generate the illustrated image of the person doing the stretch. And this is a very nice blue morning sky, as I've asked. Show you another app example that I made a long time ago for the community. I gave it the community image and asked to create an affirmation app with a calming mantra where you tap a button and you get a magical image. And now the AI is much better, but even then it was capable of these beautiful interfaces with this glowing button and this beautiful calling the muses things. You saw how simple my prompt was. And look at what a beautiful image it created for me. And this beautiful card. And later I went further ahead with this app and developed it into this full self-care ritual app with a few features. If you saw a personalized button. And as you can see, it creates this powerful AI goddess image, which I also made sure it's diverse and interesting with this technical notes and cosmic look, and with a nice ritual, like a simple ritual that is reflected in the visual image. There's a bunch of other stuff here, including downloading, so I can share it. You can really play with it and keep developing your apps as much as you'd like to create something beautiful and use the AI features. As you can see now, it gives me another moment of reflection. This is even going deeper. So get creative, find out what you want to do, and then start from there and add as you go. I want to show you another use case to open the mind. This is a daily digest for me. You can see I get AI news, science breakthroughs, cute animal facts. Embarrassment. I did not know that a group of playful pandas is called embarrassment. That's cool. And since I'm a digital nomad, I also have this one to check out my next destination. And here we go. I get upcoming events in Chiang Mai, real stuff. So what did we use here? We used the carousel cars, which is a very nice design, and actual Google search to find events. And what I did in the prompt was just give it quite a simple prompt with the dark mode that I like for it, and tell it a bit about what I like to read. That's pretty much it. I asked for the city and made it like a very simple prompt and immediately got. Later I've been playing with enhancing the readability. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and make your app. Really take some of the use cases I gave you and try to think outside the box. Try to think about things that would actually be useful to you and play around with it. You can make as many apps as you want. And please tag me if you share on social some cool app that you made or how much fun you had making it. Can't wait to see your apps. Don't forget to share them in the group. And a little tip, since you stayed all the way here, you can copy someone else's app. So if you see a design you like, you can copy it and make it with your own content. Just continue the conversation with Gemini. So I'm going to share all of my use case examples in the group, and you can copy them if you'd like. Don't forget to share with us, and see you in the next activity. Soon we're going to have also some exciting new events in AI Goddesses online and some more local chapters, so stay tuned.